Hey folks, it's Ben. We're here with another unpackaging, opening, and review. Here we have the Bissel Convenient Cordless Cleaning Lithium Ion Vacuum. It's a 2-in-1 lightweight cordless vacuum. It's got a removable dustbuster-like head. It's got a two-way folding handle, and it has, in theory, convenient storage. It's got a lithium-ion battery, swivel steering, brush on and off, washable filter, and specially designed tools. So seems like a pretty nice fit for us. We're looking for something that's lightweight and easy to use, and we have our other unit which actually washes floors, but we wanted something a little bit lighter duty than our whole house pit vacuum you see in the background there. So like it says, it has an on-off feature. This part does remove, which is interesting. You can wash the filter, which is less interesting. Large bin capacity. That'll be important because we get a lot of carpet fluff, and that's very bulky but not very heavy. The lithium-ion battery is fairly neat. We've had good luck with those so far. Swivel steering seems fairly standard, and the multi-surface brush roll, we'll find out if that's replaceable or not. But let's go ahead and open the package. This was acquired at Canadian Tire, just like if you've watched this channel, you've seen our Bissel carpet hand wash unit there. That was so good. It came with a special equipment. I don't think this one comes with anything special that anybody else wouldn't get, so that'll be a neat feature in regards to that. So let's open up the top, and just like our coffee maker we just did a box opening and review on, it's got the instruction booklet right on top, which is fairly handy. Primarily I'm unboxing it now so we can plug it in and charge it and test it out later. So here we have our charging cord. Oh, it looks like a sort of a upholstery tool. It's got that kind of that velvet grabby stuff you typically see on fur removals and stuff. A longer sucker nose, I imagine, for getting into upholstery. We've got a cardboard piece here, and then we have the bulk of the unit. So let's start with this side here. It looks like we've got the power head unit. I'm hoping it's a power head and not actually vacuum operated. The vacuum operated head on our pet thing there requires quite a bit of maintenance for it to keep running. It does run, but you have to every now and then open it up and get all the hair out of it. And then we have a majority of lifting that up. We'll set it down right there. And then it looks like we just have the cardboard base. So that's it for packaging. So that's pretty cool. We'll just drop all this in the box. You see right there. Let's start with the head unit just because it came out first. I love the color combination on the Bissels. I'm kind of biased towards blue. So we've got that there, and it's just an empty trash bag or plastic bag, so we'll get rid of that. And like I said, I'm hoping it does have a motor. It looks like it might because there's a belt assembly there, and there's probably and there's power contacts, so that's a great sign for that. We really prefer the motorized brushes, and this is in lieu of maybe replacing a non-vacuum powered Shark or something like that, those fancy carpet sweepers. Had a lot of luck with those in the past. So we can see that the unit itself is already stored in its storage way. I imagine this just clicks up. I haven't even read the instruction manual, but it's fairly straightforward. And then I imagine this end just kind of, if I hold it this way, I can just click it in as such, and there you go. So there's the assembly of the unit. That's a little crazy. Guessing this is the eject button for the machine / dust buster part of it. I'm guessing that's our washable filter. Judging by, we have the on-off button here. I love how these new equipments have the ding when you turn them on. That's the cool part. And then this is related. It's just a plastic switch, which lets the nose come off. There's a motor protection screen there. And just like any other dustbuster type, and I'm guessing this is the washable, there's a paper element inside, and then if I had two hands, I'm guessing this outside either turns or comes off, and the metal screening is what you'd be allowed to wash, and that says that's the top of it. So it has a little flap to keep stuff from falling back in. Oh, it's a little rubber flapper right there. So things come up, they don't fall back in when the cup gets full. So that's pretty cool. And it does run a little bit. And I see, there's some power connectors up on the base there that connect to this thing. So I imagine that allows it for, I'm not sure where it plugs in for charging yet. Is it in the main base? I don't know where the plug hole is for this yet, unless it's a big adapter. Let's go ahead and take this out, because I see 2 prongs down there. It is a 2-pronger, so we'd actually plug in our 2 prongs down here, and it's keyed to only go in one way. I don't know which way that is yet. There you go. So there, that plugs in like so. So you actually plug in the base, not the individual unit, which means it's not a standalone dustbuster. You actually do need to charge it on its base. So you click on the bottom. And I'm guessing that's the top. This is not the top, so how's that work? That is as such. Then usually there's a clip on the bottom that clips into a hole on the bottom. And that goes clipped like so. And then this unit would click in like such. And clips in like that. And there you go. So imagine once we get this thing charged up a little bit, if I hit the power button, does the auger go? It does. And then in theory there's a button up here that... Oh, it's a physical button. So there's a power button. That's cool, and an auger button. So if we turn it on, the auger's running, and if we press the button, it turns the auger off. So depending on what you're doing, is this the tilt release? Oh no, that little button here allows you to click the handle down. It locks in, and then if you press the button, it lets you swing it down and out of the way. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, we'll give it a charge. We'll read the instruction manual, play with these tools here. Hopefully it's going to be small enough that we can just set it in the corner and use it, and then when we need it we can go ahead and just grab it, use it real quick, and then put it away. So that's the unboxing of it. Let's charge it, and then we'll get some use of it a little bit later today. So, 3 months later, do we like it? Stormy, do we like it? It's okay. It's not the end all of all vacuums. This will not replace your household vacuum. It doesn't get down deep, obviously, but it does pick up light messes, especially on floors like this, hard floors. It's pretty good. On carpets, it's not as good, but it's for something quick, certainly. The super convenience of it is, it's a dust buster. Bam, there you go. Now you can clean. It's got the on-off button. It goes pretty good. Filter. Cup holds a good amount. I'll spill cat litter. It'll be able to suck it up type of thing. Will I get my black entry carpets perfectly black? No. There's always something left behind. But that's okay. It does exactly what it's kind of supposed to do. The auger at this point is full of dog hair. So you have to come through periodically and remove the things that keep the auger brush augering. It loves to pick up dog hair in the brush. It doesn't actually pull it into the machine very well, but it does store great. We're very happy with that aspect of it. You know, you just push the button and it closes nicely. We just plug it in. We actually have in our bedroom, so we'll put a piece of tape over that, and it might come back out here now that Christmas is over. But and the buttons for the auger and not auger is super convenient, so you can turn it on. that is a really nice feature too. So we kind of like that. So if you can get it on sale, great. It's a good light cleaning machine, not a big vacuum. Our big household pet vacuum is, will suck everything up. But this one's a good for quick light touch-ups. We keep it upstairs on the hard floor. Overall, I would say yes. It's a pretty good tool, but don't be expecting a ton out of it. It is for light cleaning only. If you have any questions on this unit, feel free to ask, or comments like you have one and you think it's great. Let us know. And please subscribe to our channel, Red Barn Homestead, for more awesome unboxing, opening, and review videos and other homestead stuff. These cats have their own channel, Fly Alberta Cats. Feel free to visit that as well. I'll put a link in the back. You guys can click on them, and there's not a lot on you guys yet, but they have an Instagram that's more popular. See ya.